Hello everyone. I was hoping to sneak in another video on a UFO crash retrieval case, but the drone situation in the USA has been spiraling out of proportion over the last few days, so I decided to cover it once again. The reason for this comes just after reassurances, one coming from Admiral John Kirby and General Pat Ryder, who have tried to reassure the public regarding the drones. The official stance of the military is that the drones do not pose a danger to the public and do not display malicious intent. But at the same time, at least officially, the military claims that it does not know who controls the drones, and so the stalemate continues. We also heard a brief assurance from President Biden last night along the same tones. That said, the public is not entirely convinced, and especially people residing in the hotspots of the activity like New Jersey and New York City. If we add to this the fact that the drones have shut down the airspace over the Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, they do not emit heat signatures, and that there are rumors about the lost radioactive material or a nuclear warhead circling around the social media, it is not that difficult to see why the topic continues to draw not only the public attention but also fear of what is the country actually dealing with. The activity is seen, but the intent and the controller remain unknown. The sightings have also spread to other countries, most notably Germany and Brazil. What happened in the last 2-3 days is that the sightings of the objects continue to spread, now occurring in full view over the New York City as well as at various places around the central and western United States. We had the legislators from the House and from the Senate briefed by the government agencies without full satisfaction as to the outcome of the hearing. Senator Hawley, asked about whether the drones could be aliens, said anything is possible. Then there is another rumor propagating over the social media, hinting that the Chinese scientists are about to provide a groundbreaking statement on Friday, one with momentous implications for humanity as a whole. Even if this is not fully substantiated, little there is to wonder that the UFO community went into a frenzy, wondering whether all of this is a prelude to catastrophic disclosure. Whatever it is, have a handful of new sightings in this video, see and judge for yourselves what is happening. I hope to be back soon in another video and hopefully on a different topic as well. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content, and take care. See you soon.
Did you say something? No. Oh.
It's like halfway. Apartment. What the
Look at that. That is incredible. It is some kind of an orb. I see the electricity.
This is nuts. What the fuck? What's with the colors? Look at that. Look at that. This is plain fucking spooky shit. Wow, look at this shit. Look at that. It's gone. What the fuck was that?